Okay, review of chicken salad chick. Never had it before. I will give you the first look. I don't think anybody's gonna watch this, but maybe. Lemon. I got the Lawrence lemon pepper and Barclays buffalo, grape salad, and mac and cheese, and a drink from Quick Trip. 49 cents, baby. All right. Also comes with a cookie. Never had it before. All right. That's a knife. I don't need that. That's a fork. All right. Buffalo. Just tastes like buffalo chicken dip. I'm gonna give that. It's pretty good. I'm gonna give that a 8.2. Now grape salad. Oh, grape salad. That's freaking good. I'm gonna give the grape salad a 8.2 as well. It's pretty freaking good. Now, oh, my cracker just broke. Cracker eating a cracker. Lemon pepper. It tastes like chicken with very slight lemon. It kind of tastes like chicken with pesto. Chicken with pesto, pretty good. I'm gonna give that a 7.8. Not as good as the God, this mac and cheese hot. Not as good as the buffalo, but mac and cheese, it's freaking hot. It's steaming. I need some like pepper or something, which they did give me with the cutlery. Mac and cheese, it's okay. I mean, it's good, but I'll probably give it a 6.9. Well, let me put some pepper on it. And all the salt's just fucking dump it out. Pepper. All right. Yeah, it definitely needs some pepper. I'm gonna change my 6.9 after the pepper to a 7.1. It's pretty freaking good. This grape salad's freaking amazing. All right, last thing to try is this sugar cookie. Small little baby sugar cookie. Tastes like those ones you get from like Walmart without the sprinkles. I'll give that a 7.2. Pretty good. Overall rating, I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. I will probably be back here Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.